Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about a problem named as the cycle detection. So what you have to do in this problem, you have given a linked list and you have to detect whether the cycle is present in a linked list or not. So what is cycle? If two nodes of a linked list are pointing to the same node, then the cycle is present in a linked list. So to solve this problem, we uses the algorithm named as the Freud cycle finding algorithm. In this algorithm, you have to take two pointers, slow and fast. Initially, both slow and fast is pointing to the head of the linked list. You have to move slow by slow dot next and fast by fast dot next. We have to move both slow and fast pointer while fast is not equals to null or fast dot next is not equals to null. Initially, both slow and fast pointer is pointing to the head. Let's try to run the Freud algorithm. So move slow by slow dot next and fast by fast dot next. Again move slow by slow dot next and fast by fast dot next. Again do the same thing. Okay, here's the observation for you. You have to apply a check condition while iterating that if the fast and slow pointer is point to the same node, then you have to return that cycle is present in a linked list. Let's try to run this algorithm on a linked list that does not contain the cycle. Okay, initially both fast and slow is pointing to the head of the linked list. Move slow by slow dot next and fast by fast dot next. Again move slow by slow dot next and fast by fast dot next. At this point, when fast is equal null, the while loop will terminate and you have to return that the cycle is not present in a linked list. Because if the cycle is present in a linked list, you will detect it in a while loop. That if fast and slow pointer is pointing to the same node, then you return the cycle is present in a linked list. But the while loop terminates, means you iterate fully over the linked list and you doesn't find that fast and slow pointer point to the same node, then you have to return cycle is not present in a linked list. Fast initially point to head, list node slow initially point to head, move fast and slow till fast is not equals to null and fast dot next is not equals to null. Move fast by fast dot next and slow by slow dot next. If fast equal slow, you have to return true. Okay, you have to return true. Otherwise, if we do whole iteration and we does not hit this condition, then you have to return false, that cycle is not present in a linked list. Let's try to run. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, so this is all about this problem. Hope you understand it. Check out the links in the description. Thank you for watching.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.